All right, you wanna know how to not spend any money having to improve your home right before you put it on the market? Well, I'm gonna tell you about the power of the 1% rule right here on this episode of Ryan in Real Estate. All right, welcome back, guys. Hope you are off to a great year and we're getting ready to get in spring. It should be great. Hey, I wanted to talk today about a really cool, I think this is a cool idea. Someone shared with me, think it would be helpful for you. Before I get into the power of the 1% rule, let me tell you to do this. Take a minute, stop where you're at, look down, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and then we'd love to hear any comments you have about whether you agree or disagree with what I'm saying here. Maybe you've got some other ideas that might be better than this. I'd love to hear those too. Anyway, we're here to help you any way you can. I'm Ryan Adams. I'm a realtor here in Houston, Texas. Would love to help out any way that I can. Here is the power of the 1% rule. Here's what usually happens is that homeowners, they'll meet with a realtor like myself and then we'll sit down and then they'll go, well, what do I need to do to improve the property? And then I kind of give them this list and then they're like, oh man, this costs so much money. How am I gonna afford to be able to do this right now when I'm putting on the market, making the move changes, all of that? Well, I'm gonna give you the power of the 1% rule. Here it is. If you could just take 1% of the value, market value of your home and invest it each year, every single year, you take that 1% and you invest it into improving your property one time per year. When it comes time to sell your home, as long as you're not moving all over the place all the time, you're gonna be so far ahead of the game of being ready to put your house in the market when that time comes. So how does this play out? Let me give you an exact example. All right, let's just say your home is valued at $500,000. So 1% of $500,000 is $5,000. So you're gonna take $5,000 each year and you're going to do something to improve your home. A lot of people sometimes just sit back and do nothing, leave their house the way they bought it until the time they are ready to move. And then when they're ready to move, they're like, man, this house looks so amazing. Why are we even selling? Well, you should have done those improvements along the way. So let's walk through what those improvements might look like. I'm gonna give you a list of 25 improvements that you could make right now with $5,000. All right, here's a list.
You can do a bathroom refresh, update those pictures and repaint the bathroom. You can do a new kitchen backsplash, install a really nice backsplash. Do a flooring update in one of your rooms. Maybe you're gonna install hardwoods or vinyl plank or upgrade a premium carpet. Smart home edition, smart home your entire house. Interior paint, $5,000 you get a lot of different rooms painted. Landscape mower, add some lights. You could add new plants, lawn care, new shrubs, lighting, the works there. Lighting fixtures, take your entire house and upgrade every lighting fixture. Closet organization, come in and get a custom organizing closet with custom closet features. Deck repair, finish or replace or redo the deck that's outside of the patio. Front door replacement, $5,000 make a great new front door. Crown molding, add molding across the house if that's something that you like and fits the style of your home. Energy efficiency, a home office setup in one of your rooms. A fire pit into your backyard with natural gas. Water filtration system, whole house or even under the sink. Garage storage, install shelving and storage into your garage. Bathroom vanity upgrade across all of your bathrooms. Backsplashes in the bathroom. Make an accent wall in your office or your bedroom. Outdoor lighting, enhance that with all around the house. Faucet and sink upgrades, maybe that's your kitchen, you can move to a farm style. Security system, installing that security system that you might need. Living room built-ins, replace those weird areas that don't have anything there and put built-ins inside with shelving.
And the list could go on and on and on. But the reality is if you take literally that 1% and invest it into your home, when it comes time to sell, you can look back at all the different upgrades that you have made. And this doesn't even include the big boys like air conditioning, roofing, and all that stuff. Maybe that's something you save up for, but if you simply stick to this rule, let me just tell you, when it comes time to sell your home, you're gonna be a lot further down the road and less money that you're gonna have to spend when you put it on the market. Now, my question to you is, what upgrades have you put into your home you're not sure you can get the return? Drop a comment or a DM, let me know, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. We'll see you next time on Ryan and Real Estate.